What is email market automation? Email market automation is an email or a sequence of email that are sent after a subscriber takes a specific action like signing up to an email list, marketing, making a purchase, or clicking a link. For example, when you sign in for consultant contact, this trigger a welcome email. This email introduces you to our business, asks you to verify your email address, and tell you how to set up your account. Is email marketing automation the right choice for me? As your business grows and more customers start flooding in, it becomes even more challenging for you to offer inscrutable experience to everyone who interested with you in your business. With marketing automation, you can deliver the same great experience for your first email subscriber and your 10th thousand. It saves you time and creates a better customer experience. You choose the order frequency and target content of the message once the sequence is set up and the mail sent automatically. Are there challenges or downsides to email automation? The only challenge with email marketing automation is it often require a little work and planning upfront. Planning is easier when you have an idea of what you want and the end result to look like. So to help you get started, you listed some specific example of automated email campaign below that are great for beginners. By the end of this article, you will understand same practical and specific example of email automation, and we will even show you a video of how to create your first automated email series in about the 3 minutes. Email automation examples. Here are 4 of our top example of automated email campaign to set up your first. Just get started with email automation. Automated welcome email. In a competitive market, first impression are everything. If someone sign up for your email list, it up to you to delight them right way with interesting, helpful email content and inciting offer. This easiest way to do this with an engaging automatic welcome email series that should do 3 things. Welcome new subscriber and thanks them for signing up. Invite them to contact further by following your social media, visitor your website, coming through your brick and mortar location, etc. Get to know your subscriber further so you can continue sending them emails that are relevant to their interest. Automated welcome email reach new subscriber the second they sign up at a moment when they are new to your list and want to hear from you. Without automation, you might not get around to manually sending a welcome email for hours or even days later. When your new subscriber have already shifted their focus elsewhere, automated automation help you reach them when it most impactful. A welcome email is great way to start nurturing leads through the customer journey. However, it's just the beginning. More automated email series. Why not go a step further with more email series? Perhaps instead of a welcome series, create a campaign that consists of series of educational email or a series of email based on action that can help turn one-time customer into a loyal respect buyer. With context automation path builder, you can create customer path tailored to your specific needs and goal. The possibilities are almost endless. Birthdays and anniversary emails. Birthdays and anniversary emails. Everybody likes to get something special for their birthday or anniversary. With email automation, it's easy to treat your customer on their impact days. You can keep your customer engaged and let them know they're valued. Start collecting birthday information, whatever a new subscriber join your list so your birthday email will send on the appreciate day. No matter how much someone care about your business, it's natural for them to lose someone interest after they have been on your email list for a while. This is a great opportunity to thank them for their continued support and offer them a special birthday gift, whatever it is, small, freeable, or a helpful guide. Newsletter and blog updates. If you've been updating your company blog regularly, you may have a lot of great timeless content out there that doesn't get the views it once did. Consider repurposing this content in automated email drop campaign for newer customer you have who haven't visited this content yet. Some ideas to keep in mind: go through and make sure your posts are still relevant and up to date. Make sure the sequence build upon ideas and that are enough variety to be as engaged as possible. Remember, this information can be very valuable to new content who haven't seen the information before. Promote promote events and web banners. Email marketing campaigns are perfect for promoting event meets up or web banner that your business is running. After all, your subscribers should already be interested in what you have to say, and a success of email is an ideal strategy for getting people excited as your event draws near and making sure that don't forget about it. Whatever a person signing up for new one for our web banner here, we send them the below email thanking them for registering, giving a little detail on what to expect from the webinar and how to join the webinar. Closer to the actual date, we sent out another couple of reminder email encouraging customer to block off their calendar and spread the word. Then after the webinar has concluded, they automatically get sent a link to the on-demanded version of webinar along with some resources what are relevant to the webinar's topic. Given that many marketers host webinar and event sending automated emails like these can help grow your business by ensuring the maximum number of people either attend the event live or see the recording so you get the highest possible return on the time you have visited. Even more automated email ideas. Looking for more example? We compile these automated email ideas you can incorporate into email marketing strategy that will help grow your business. These email marketing ideas can help you to build trust and credibility with your audience, improve your customer engagement, and more. Get new and repeat business on autopilot. With email automation, you can do more and same time by communicating timely relevant information to your subscriber based on their interest and their action. In this video, you will learn how you can use automation to welcome new subscriber and start building relationships. Create different types of email series that map your goal. Use data to further optimize and automate more timely and relevant email. Now you know why email marketing automation is so important to your marketing strategy. In addition to the four example mentioned above, there there are a host of automated email you can could send to your customer. It completely all right of if you don't wish to go all out right at the start. You could start small, maybe a three-part automated email series to welcome new customers to your email list. As a small business that is growing quickly, you are like to have more and more things completing for your time and attention. However, out of all opportunities available to grow your business, email marketing is one of the most impactful and simple. Setting up automated leads nurturing campaign can help you drive traffic to your website and increase online sales without having to spend too much time and effort in recreating them for every new customer you add to your growing subscriber list.